another prediction verified. So it happens. Had you watched my last day video, my last day prediction about the stock market, that stock market will be in sell, and in this week we will see a bitter selling in stock market according to my analysis and according to my analysis. Hello everyone, I'm Rabia Amjad. I'm gonna tell you what would be the next trend and where are the market is moving and what happened, why market is so much sell. As you can see that in my last video, yesterday's video, I already told that the market will be sell because market goes so much upside last week, and it is like 100% upside level, and the market move upside so much high, so it will definitely come down and it will retrace its trend, and retracement would be like 50%, but in silver it's 75%, and it already happened. As you can see that today's what's the today's high and lows of market and where is the market is moving right now. So you can see all the low level of the low rate of all the commodities and currencies, which I already told in yesterday, and you can see the exact level hit last night and hit today, and it's also gonna hit. You can see that crude oil hit 22.92, which I already told yesterday that it will hit the 23 level, and whereas the gold also hit 1862, and silver also hit 23.38, which I already told that it will go downside till 23.50, and it is go 23.838. So market is selling, which I already told yesterday that market will be sell very bitterly. And now check out the prices of the US crude oil, and let's see in which trade should we trade today and what's the trend of today. So let's start with the crude oil, and as you can see that crude oil is not that much volatile and not much volatility we are seeing in crude oil, but it's like moving also in selling trend, but a little bit buying, because it's like you can see that its high yesterday high was 23.56. It was in buying position yesterday, but I told that it will sell, and today it is selling position, and 23.09 is moving right now. I am seeing that 22.45 it will sell, and that signal is giving me the sell signal that strategic stock market best entry in crude oil is to sell right now. It was much confusing yesterday because it is going buying position, whereas the other commodities are in selling position. But today oil also follow the trend of other commodities, and it's also in a selling position, and the level would be like, so I am saying that it will sell till 22.50, whereas if it go upside then 23.90 would be the next level in crude oil. So now talking about the gold, what will be the gold trend, and as you can see that I told yesterday that gold will sell very badly, and it will definitely retrace 50%, but it also retrace, and the retracement would be like you can see in its RSI chart that it will go so much downside, and it retrace like 30%, 70% downside, and its yesterday high was like 2029, whereas its low I predicted that 1972 would be the next level, but it so much volatility, and it goes so much down till like 1890, and it also break the 19 level. So as I told you trend of yesterday, that trend would be the selling, and it was the right trend and right prediction according to gold, according to the market, and according to my research. And I told you that if it starts selling and the resistance will be 50%, then it will go more sell, and you can see that it's also selling today, and right now its high was like 1890, whereas it's moving right now 1890, and I am seeing that I can see that 1841 will be the next downside level, and it will go down till 1840, because you can see that gold go upside so much in volatility, and so much go upside like 100% upside level. So it will definitely come 50%, but it's right now come downside till 75%, 70-80%. So it will definitely happen, and I also already predicted yesterday that gold will sell, and we will see a bitter selling in the gold and silver. And as you can see, silver is also downside, and the prices are so much low today also predict about silver, and that it will sell, and you can see it also sell like 70-80%. It was upside like 100%, and now I told you yesterday that it will definitely sell, and 54% retracement would be a must. We will see, but it retraced like 80%, same like gold. And RSI chart also shows that it's retraced it like 70-80%. So you can see that yesterday it high was like 29.10 and 5, and then I predicted that it will go downside till 26.50, but it will go more downside, and we will see, and we saw 25.29 yesterday, and its today high was like 25.90, whereas its low is 23.39. already I predicted that it will go down till 23, and we will see 22.50 level. So it happened, and we are seeing in future in this way, this day, today, or in a week, or in this week, that it will hit like 22.80 level, which I'm seeing that silver can go downside till 22.28 would be the first downside resistance, because it's also selling, and when silver starts sell, then it will sell very badly, and its retracement level would also always like 70-80%. So we will see like 22.80 level. And now because market is selling, and all the commodities and like currency like gold and silver is selling in its sell position very badly. Now let's talk about Australian dollar. I already told that Australian dollar is now selling because of the market trend is in selling. So Australian dollar is also in the selling trend, whereas when commodities sell, Australian dollar go buy, and people start buying, and because of this reason people invest in Australian dollar, and Australian dollar prices go upside. So if commodities will sell, then definitely Australian dollar prices will be go upside. Instead, that the effect of the market, of the selling effect of market depends. So let's see what was the today's trend of Australian dollar. As we can see that Australian is also in a selling trend, and it's also prices go downside, and I also told yesterday that Australian can be sell because all the market is in selling position, and I told you that 0.7150 would be the next downside level, and which it hit today, and it's 0.7150 is its today's high of Australian dollar, whereas its low is 0.71 like roundabout. And I'm seeing I can see that we will see another selling trend, another selling little bit selling like 0.7076 level. Then it's a good price to buy Australian dollar at 0.7075, because it will definitely then go upside, because commodities is selling, then Australian will then obviously people will invest in currencies, and currencies price will go upside. So we will see a little bit selling, then Australian dollar is good to buy. So we saw last week that because of the US economy is going stable, and little bit corona crash was decreases, and then the cases of the corona decreases, so the economies are going in stable position. So we saw that stock market is going so much high and so much in the upside level. So because of the stability in US economy, we saw the last week bull market, whereas now we are seeing that market is now in selling position, and lots of buyers are in lost position. So don't buy right now, because market is very much volatile, and it will like in the selling trend this week, especially this week we will see another selling of more 2 days. Then Friday would be the deciding level and the deciding day for the stock market, what would be the next level of next week. So we will see another selling in coming 2 days, whereas in Friday would be the deciding day for the stock market, or what would be the next trend of the stock market. So for up till now and until now, keep watching and keep subscribing my YouTube channel, and also click bell